How to make a video private after posting. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn a video or how to switch a video to a private video after posting, easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok app. In here, go to your profile and you're gonna find your videos. Choose the video you want to make it private and click on it. For example, this one. All you need to do is click on those 3 points and scroll over this list. You're gonna find privacy settings. Click on it. And here you have the first option, which is who can watch this video. Click on it and choose everyone, friends, which means follower that you follow back, or only you. To make it private, click on only you and it's gonna be you are the only one you can watch the video. This is it guys, easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe and like.